Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. And I don't know if you can see there, that's a wood flame. I've just made a cook with the gas and just changed it over, and I just put some of those little curly kindling balls with curly starter things. I don't know what their official name is, and I've put them in. Get that going. Right, so I'm going to just shove a bit more wood and make my pizza quickly, because this is hot enough, and actually it's a bit too hot. I've just got make sure I've got enough wood in there just to keep it going whilst I make my pizza. I can't get any more in there, so I'm just going to go make it quickly. Okay, look, it's still going well, and I've only put those 4 pieces in. It's retained its heat with just those 4 little logs, not even logs, 4 little pieces of kindling, and it's retained its heat, so that's pretty good going. I've just got to get my peel. Since I just went to get my peel, it's definitely allowed me to put more in, and I'm gonna put another, try and put another one in. Yes, right, there are, I don't know how many, it's about 5, 1, 2, 3, about 5 I got in there. Brilliant. That'll keep it roaring now for my cook. Look at that. Look at that. Oh God, that's so pretty. You see that little bit at the end? I don't know if the camera's picking up what I'm picking up there. Right, let's better get on with what I'm actually doing is making a pizza, not looking at pretty flames. Okay, let's get that in. And that lovely. So the stone temperature is it's about 430, so that's still really hot. I don't want to burn it at the back. I'll just warm up my peel in that really beautiful flame. I went more than a quarter there, which means I'm now going to go back on myself and double up and cook part of the crust I shouldn't. Yeah, if you're an organised cook, you would do quarter turn, cook, quarter turn, cook, quarter turn, cook. I forget to do the quarter turn thing, and I'm all over the place. My pizza's going left, right, left, right. I must remember to do that. Look at it. The cook going on there. Can't see what the nice base cook. Let me just check to see how it is. The back. Is it nearly done? Bit more. I think my flame's going out the back, but I think it's nearly done, so I don't want to put any more in. Listen to that crispy crust. Got that quite thin. Look at that. Right, this dough, it's the same dough I used for the Lebanese pizza as well, I've made, which I'm not sure if I've put up or not yet. So it's my same original recipe, but I've added more water, so it's got 310 grams of water instead of 300. I'll put the recipe down below, and I have to say, it stretched better, a lot better, and I learned that from the other dough I used, which had a higher hydration level. So I need to work out what the percentage of that is. So I'll put all the percentages of the hydration down, and I rested the dough ball as well for half an hour before I used it, which I don't normally do either because I'm always in a semi-rush and I always forget that part. Let me try this bit. Oh my gosh, that is super nice. I haven't made pepperoni in a while, and I haven't used the wood in the rock box for a while. It's a really good thing to use. The wood in the rock box is lovely. It's really simple. I mean, I didn't even put a glove on when I moved them around. Just hold the bottom of the gas thing, turn it off, stick the wood one on, and straight away you're straight in cooking. Just light it up. It took me about a minute to get the wood going on there. It is worth it, but I'd always make a gas pizza beforehand because there's only so much space you can put wood in, so you're not going to be able to heat it up very quickly, and I know the gas takes a while to heat it up, especially on a cold winter's day. So definitely do the gas first and then do the, oh look at these, look at that lovely, it's red onion is caramelized. Oh wow, I'm gonna have that. Pepperoni. Look at the way it singed the top of the pepperoni there. Love that. those lovely flavours packed in there. I love it with the onions. I think one of you mentioned put some onions on your pepperoni, bit of pepper, and I did. Hope you like it. Try that. Okay, very nice. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.
She called me